Family outing, shopping at the mall. It is the first day of the weekend, and Peter is visiting the shopping mall with his parents. First, they go to the cake shop to order a cake for Peter's birthday party in the afternoon. They decide to collect it just before they leave after finishing their shopping. Next, they go to the second floor to buy some fish food for their fish. The shop after that is Peter's favorite. It is where he chooses his birthday present. He looks around at all the toys and finds it hard to choose, but chooses a drum in the end. The last shop they visit is a clothes shop. Peter hates shopping for clothes, but he is getting too tall and needs some new trousers. His sisters love clothes shopping though. When they finally finish, they walk to the MTR with all their bags. Just as they are about to get on the train, Mom remembers something and they have to go back to the shopping mall. They have to take a taxi home or they would be late for the party. The end.